Hi guys, we meet once more. Today it's time to start talking about the past continuous. Pretty much like the present continuous, we're going to use the verb to be, but this time in the past, and the verb finishing in ing. There are two main uses to the past continuous. The past continuous refers to a continuing action which took place at some point in the past. For example, last summer I was enjoying my summer holidays on the beach. It can also be used to describe a continuing action in the past which was interrupted by another action in the simple past. For example, I was sleeping when a loud noise woke me up. Here are two extra tips for you. Whenever you refer to the weather in the past, you say, it was raining. It was snowing. You can also use the past continuous to start a story. For example, it was a sunny day and Julia was resting on the grass. Let's break down the structure of the past continuous once more. Subject, verb to be in the past, and verb finishing in ing. I hope you have found this video useful. If so, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and follow us on Instagram. See you soon, everyone!